mga sponsors. We have the RMG Store and Bake Shop, Amara Fire, Mr. Romilio and Emily Moko and family, Miss Jonah Noble, Mr. Rogelio Nargatan and family, Mr. Roy Miadas, Mrs. Ruth Moticlaro and family, Miss Christine Joy Pactao and family, Mrs. Catherine Pactao Badillo and family, Mr. Justino Pulido, Miss Candelaria Laurente, Mrs. Elizabeth Montero and family, Miss May Mabanes, Miss Marilyn Mabanes, Kuya Pim Official Vlog, Mrs. Mikila Hae and family, Mr. Nilo Mongkal and family, Mr. Maximino Nargatan, CJ Mar Billiards Hall, Arion Jason Nunyal, Mr. Thomas Pactes and family, Mrs. Manita Laurente, Mrs. Jonah Paduilao, Mrs. Marcor Marcelo, Mr. Marcelo Zacarias, Mrs. Jesusa Suzuki, Mr. Emmanuel Noalia and family, Mrs. Melba de Galicia, Mr. Ray Niadas and family, Dupol and Company by Bernardo Salao, Jessica Lictao, and of course, Mr. John Leo Fabio Lucero,